Woody Monsam Ebrel, yes, Badwam can see a seminar toss with a fata sauce and a pabia puapanona, yet a bro. Now, a connoisseur would say, seems to be Brenana young pre-season, and Yomu Krumu and a beer to Quanco Asia, be called USA, be just a Omugusun and Muani at Yadia, but I don't know. And the weekend, the matches outdoor course, so Liverpool. But Manchester United on the second game of the preseason, on which the Rangers bought Rangers by 2-0. So now Tottenham Hotspur, so Queen's Park Rangers bought Queen's Park Rangers by 2-0. Young correct Senesa games no sequence. The Equaso when him said transfer window so be a man focus so since I mean okay Mason Greenwood attach it down at Olympic de Marseille. Now fans and say Omani, you know, Bema or then Saka Kamadi on to be maybe see I can find more, but after a successful season with Taffy in Spain, when Yakunya Akopi Olympic de Marseille. And Brighton, a coach, De Zerbi, one on Aquaji Olympic Marseille, or since some players to be at the Echo or Helbert Crass or Bacofana Fit Tottenham, Abeka, when I be Bias, what's Makoi, Ramari de Gusun and Moi, Ereso, Benya Bakumi, Rebecca, Trent Alexander, or the Honsam. And then we Barcelona near Brest Nico Williams and so Beba say Nico Beba say Nico Mano and Brennan Krabia and a better Arsenal and so near Bray Epic Kraka. I just say what to say yes, nature one Mimu, or Boremu, or Bologna Kacheko Fabia Ba. Just say teams are holding Obia a wide pa and Yasam Ketuakra, but Yemrefi, name already a coso. If you know, a shall say if you former Black Stars midfielder, Emmanuel Ajiman by doing somebody to do actually Musadia Bakwa. As so Miami and Equopa, a pictures a whole way teams now, a Sia can was so on Yadia Second transfers and also to be a players now Bobo, Sabe, Parker, and your Papa Swa, Anna injuries, and so drops on the door. A ha game, no, a beauty.
I won't. Bibi wa obi timi massage no wa kan boko but when pitch na nkasa ne na ex footballers now mebo bi nyina everybody was complaining. It's not about enyanko a injury private my players but we be poor match. Fortunately for us mpan for no parliamentarians no wa on kasa bobi normally eniama obi wo say ni akoye dressing room ni aye stance ni aja pitch banan kasa no nti ye bepo match omo pitch ba no ankasa no omo mo nkoso no omo nya ne kakramai ye wo quality wo kroma say ye pese ye hu bon fa ni nya ye pitch no enye dressing room no kwa na stance no kwa because no ye mobo no eta ne ekotena nti ye place no ye pese hu bibi wo momu a omo ntwa na grass no omo nya hu bibi na me enye mo nwa say CAF say Accra Sports Stadium no they can host international game because ene me imagine so last year na mo Olympics me bo matches be bro ha but ya complain it seems say bibiankas ensesa nti me kura de mabre but enye
Emmanuel Achiman Badu former Black Stars midfielder now this answer me to Ghana Kopimo our national teams now so Akachia the Black Princesses of Ghana from the 31st of August the FIFA Under 20 Women's World Cup Ghana and your group Australia Japan and New Zealand and our group Akumo na mafia nyame player ba kwa ye hwe na nim so betima akodandan ne wo ye dia ma man Ghana ne samu to wiase yemfa chita sonko e ma team no me no kasa mo Cape Coast omo ya ho sisi ahead of the World Cup.
Anna to represent and I'm not going to take this opportunity for granted. We're going to make a mark in the World Cup 2024 this year edition in the World Cup. We are praying we qualify from the group stage and make the nation proud. Though I was part in the Costa Rica, I didn't have enough playing time. So hopefully if I make it to the team, I'm going to do my best for the nation. We are urging all Ghanaians to keep supporting us and pray for us. And we're going to make a mark in the World Cup. It's an honor.
Right, mafia nyame na wode ne nsem sa eto eja. Also share I can see we Badwam so yen kopie mu wo ye nsem ya weekend nyina ene na mo from mo Paralympic for ho nsem wo kire mu a wo mo ade enema bi a hye mo papers mu no mo nkrata mo signature bi ho nsem akopie mu ye ho na te se Ghana para sports for bi para athletes bi akopie mu e wo obi man so na mo kopie mu ho no ba akwakowu a che se akwa ensem bebre ebi so yare ye ko test ensem basa ne ade a ene e bora Paralympic company for ho owura Samson Dean say hey papa now dey at least akopiem obi man so a ebi ewu a che se ye hwehwom ne mamu kra ntro ne fogere ne man na owura Samson Dean ni sam to dwase no kra bi anim ono aka sa onim ho hwere kwasa athlete bi e ko marathon bi e wo abrochiri e mu nkyeremu ne
Ghana Paralympic team member, no Ghana Paralympic team official, no Ghana Paralympic team coach, no Paralympic team member, no associate member, no foreign member of the Ghana Paralympic team, none, nobody, no official letter or no letter or any communication or anything that got to do with Ghana's qualification to the Olympic or to the Paralympic Games, or anything that got to do with applying for a visa to the Norwegian embassy. I am appealing to Ghanaians, and we want to make things clear that the Ghana Paralympic team have not applied for a visa. Never have anybody, never has the MPC Ghana, never have I signed any letter for and on behalf of the Ghana Paralympic team, and never have we or any of our assigns or officers of the Ghana Paralympic team or the MPC Ghana have applied for a visa at the Norwegian embassy. What you have seen in the media, it's a forged letter by some group of people who are into disability sport development, NST Foundation. NST is a person with disability, an amputated person who engaged himself in forgery of documents with a former Ghana Amputee Football Association Secretary General with name Theodore Maule Viwoto, who have since on the 18th of July been suspended indefinitely by the MPC Ghana. I want to appeal to the people of Ghana that the pictures, the images, the stories that is going viral has nothing to do with any member or anyone they see in the picture. None of them are or are involved or have or are associated to these people. The letters that was sent with my signature on it were forged by these guys, which is NSAC and Theodore Maule Viwoto, who did all this forged document, fraudulently used my document to acquire visas for some people who are very unknown to the Paralympic family. I want to appeal to everyone that no member of the Ghana Paralympic team have applied or have engaged in such very bad situation. We apologize and we are going.
Right, and so I don't and someone or Samson Dean the two. Samson we be actually na yahwe baby abekwa kosie ra Samson Dean ne para athletes for the Paralympic for the ade and some bebre ne ade. Sabrian ko Songo Stick na boss Mr. Countryman Songo. Yes. Patrick Osajamai and fast Songo Stick in my nano pay. Mr. Osajamai and now ultimate can me mo akwa about the Songo Stick so. Hello, fireman.
Automika.
Aha, metoka.
You have go.
Wa nyame ato. Ana no pay Songo Stick so e dey na yehwe.
Ana pay league ya omo edit ya abasi e ba ball league. Ana see e better to aso bully. But I hope say you better aso asabo league ana see e better bully. E Ghana Premier League no. Stakeholders GFA omotima tenasi. Uti etimi ato anoma adwene ehu enoma ema Ghana Premier League any domestic football intimi nkonko na nimi because nipa nhwe supporters in Copa uti ase nipa nhwe supporters in Copa ena ye pesi league no so epeja ko na nim se ne be ya emu players talent e won ebetimi developing na the various national teams no omotimi aide aboa apeja. Because the national teams, from the junior side, Edinburgh Blasters, maybe a caps, trophies, you to me, you'd be because of players are with talent your money go waste me they identify the real talent correct footballers are almost separate the various national teams and you local league in here your football between you local league over local league part of officiating high pay Ghana local league and I will share pitches baby a ball your baller a very baby park view baby and I say baby stadium comes here stadium baby a park just a baby any can see a bubble environment baby baby be jaw nine you understand you won't even get it. Just say, baby, I support a squad, but no more to me. I share matches, Grano, and why they what na among food in if you move at the in the ass, and then be a baby mood of in the asso, which I say, a flow about sign, no more to me. I shall league matches. Just say, oh, baby sentence, baby, or another parks, baby, why a bobola. And then the park in the Bull League matches. Oh, park in the Bull League matches. But stadium be a park be a no maternity stadium, which it is a more system. It's a baby, me and some you know, and 9 corner, your best share calendar ni your best share sending your teams to be to me. We corner we are back, you be maintaining a year. I say, a stadium bed 3B correct ye, then normal to me, born yet mania, left family yet mania, the say, ne papano, yet me, your talent, and I even mobile ball here. Fantastic, dance. You a privy in the park, be a baby and San Fatabia near the Bull League matches. Never than supporters, fans and stadium because there is fans and stadium which a year finance there to move to me engage stakeholders, fans and supporters, no matter about stadium. A very bad say your league matches are able not supporters in court stadium. Even the 2 biggest club, Omuchia stadium supporters in court, Nampo Park at me. I am a Yokotokonias. Eti ye liga FNO SE. Ye babe twaso abo anase omudi date aba say kwan bia to no more rest league libet me I dey atwaso asase no they should make the league attractive omuma league ni nya kono league na ye ba e musica entimi mwa teams no mpuku asase kana odi bema win no kwa no otimi fa do about ni 4 or 5 players kraka otimi fa asase kana kra obi abo league aye champion sika ya di mano a peanut in yes cabia stakitikibi liga sponsors in liga stika enim na GF no omo bobo ni bia na bia la na say omo ye ball ni bia keke Ghana league there it deserve better because from Teteno Ghana league na supporters copa na a more thing from Teteno Ghana league kutukoni house ni other teams no qualify for Africa omu make impact for omu bo omu money omu timi je cap ni bi kotokwa je cap ni bi da asa je cap ni bi da o ti say teams no timi ko ebo omu money and supporters go park it is particular Ghana league na supporters fans in go park Ghana league na bad officiating my fans in go park Ghana league na bad officiating me good players talent players MP or say infinity mitnase gauging stakeholders and your date can ye back say ye baba she liga say ye mo boy hu ni she liga say ye boy hu she liga say no and no man me enko park e Ghana league e munya den entimi enye dey enye competitive enough say ye do Africa ni ye ko Confederations Cup any Champions League ye betimi abo ko finals aje cup no ka no mana e Ghana league enye basa Ghana league ayetan supporters in Park no a GF finance there GF ni na ye in charge woman na feli woman na din kugo woman na nimbuasi aka woman say Ghana football, local league, Ghana Premier League, and I said domestic league, you know, woman to me, a man in your site, and then your fan yet there, a moon and your thing, sponsors, quality pitches, quality coverage. Just say, start times, deal with the buyer crowd, name your papa, because over deal with the buyer, see, come with the Maoma, and so many. Moreover, send your room to your camera. Your matches, not and so many in slow motion, big granny, replay, big granny goes, be what boss, no crab you are, and they do no senate here. Omakofa deal, Papa B, I so chance, a quality coverage. Omakofa B, Saba, and I says, how deal with Grano, Omat may improve. Say any city, almost so called Ghana League, our EGF for see. Omudi data basi ebe chance you know. Ta Ghana League you know, Ghana Premier League you know. Sponsors banner omudi data the buy. Sika ban omudi account say sponsors we headline sponsors we. I mean just say yekuta ta package we are package ke CF a cover a year even supporters in na say omuba park do be attracted entertainment ebe attractive oma ba park. Ama just say yenya good coverage, good officiating league ni betumi apagya no. Sano mano GF for na transi etimi ai dey SEC ano etimi ahwe ekombe fast um di be Premier League nana. They should understand say a league go from. Omai amaye
Alazongo
football ewo eye Africa to ano Ghana yen kan.
Okay.
What you say? So the league no ye be chance here dia omu make sure say no ma basa ye no ma en customer league no ma league ni attractive entimi kunkole nim no Umbi Konya no matime day Estiano na league no nyesi ye data ba keke wo di date ba sponsors ni ehun akade e wo hefa na ama Ghana league na pija ya attract.
Okay.
1 p.m. ye meto afi. Right. E wo fire for fire.
Right.
Live. Yeah, 1 p.m. sharp.
And as usual and na kwa ejo there na ejane betu ato pa live e Adom TV so. The fireman countryman songo na what's in Kano. And I will share 1 p.m. now for the Akas on Twasso and Fama. The imagination area. See, said Joe Manocho Bernard Paddy Butri and producers. Yana Wakaid Nankasa can cage one away. Erica Sidu Buedi Sabrade. A firman Quatamaklo at the Apomodimon somewhere to us. We are, but we say, was a person shall lie. Now the Akasu did this. I packed show and I drew a day back. Also, I have